Good morning, vlog world. It's your boy here again with another one. Today I'm gonna try out some ackee and salt fish, but of course I'ma be discreet. Today, vlog world, I'm gonna try out ackee and salt fish and maybe a little jerk pork. You don't know? Your boy ready? One of these days I'm gonna go to one of them dance like them rude boy, you know. Gotta be careful. Don't want to be seen yet. Them not ready for that yet. One of these days, me reach the place, yes sir. Can I get some ackee and salt fish and some jerk pork on the side and one bag juice? You never tell anybody that your little alien friend come here? Here you go.
Don't forget the jerk pork.
No, man. Man, this tastes so nice. 10 out of 10. I am leaving now before it gets dark. You know me and them wild dogs don't get along.
Thanks again.
Can't be seen by nobody today. I only trust the cook shop people them. Well, I made it back. Time to check on my spaceship. Thanks for watching. See you next time when I try out some manish water.